Mnangagwa says he's stepping down, but is it simply a ruse? President Mnangagwa recently announced he won't seek a third term, stating he'll retire after his current term ends. But political analysts aren't buying it. UK-based Zimbabwean academic Brighton Mutabuka warns that Mnangagwa's rivals should take this announcement with a grain of salt. He points out that ZANU-PF isn't known for peaceful power transfers. Adding fuel to the fire, ex-military intelligence officer CD Neva Maswerese claims Mnangagwa is grooming local government minister July Moyo as his successor. Is this a genuine retirement plan, or just a strategy to keep power within his circle? With the upcoming SADC Summit in Zimbabwe, former Foreign Affairs Minister Walter Mzembe calls Mnangagwa's statement a public relations stunt. So, what's the truth behind the promise? Only time will tell.